Waze wagowa uMamzobe, guys. Waze wagowa uMamzobe. Utifa noZodwa, they don't care what is happening about uMamzobe, but they are planning to take a relationship here to the next level. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 14th to the 18th of August 2023 on Monday. It's a family meeting. uZodwa attempt to turn the table on Mamzobe after her pregnancy has been uncovered, only to be given a fatal ultimatum on Tuesday. uZodwa blast out Mamzobe's biggest and darkest secret. Mlungisi is feeling the pressure of firing the council. Maphalala catches Sibusiso and Mazungu in their secret on Wednesday. Difa want to expose Mamzobe to the family, only to have his own dirty linen aired on Thursday. Difa wants to finally marry the love of his life after all the other family secret bombs have exploded on Friday. Difa decides to take the bull by the horns and makes an announcement that hurts Mamzobe. Mabusi ignores Zodwa when she visits her and decides to speak to Mamzobe instead. Mamzobe is scandalized and curious when she and Maphalala come across Zodwa and Difa holding hands. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.